Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix your settings in Firefox. So if you want to save some file, you just click on it and you see open file or save as. So how you can change when you click on some image or file, how you can change save settings and open settings. So just go to the setting, click here and choose settings, and in the settings you need to find general. So in general you need to find here applications, and here you will find different options for different files. So for example, if you want to fix clicking on PDF files, so it will be docx, PDF, doc and just some other text files. So just right click here, and here you can see on actions what you want to see. Always ask what to do, open or to save, actually automatically save file, or use Microsoft Edge. So if you want to have options open or save, so just choose always ask. If you want to save automatically, so just choose save files, and it will automatically save files, and you won't see this window with option you want to open or to save, and it will automatically save this file. So here you can choose also write extensions of files you want to change here actions. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.